Question number 11. Sum of the first P, Q and R terms of an AP are A, B and C respectively. Prove that A by P into Q minus R plus B by Q into R minus P plus C by R into P minus Q equal to 0. Listen, sum of first P terms, Q terms, R terms are given. Sum of the first terms, first P terms are represented by SP. Sum of the first Q terms represented by XQ. Sum of the first R terms represented by SR. It is given the first P terms and its sum is A. Sum of the first Q terms, it is B. Sum of the first R terms, it is C. This is given. From here, we want to prove this expression is equal to 0. So, we already know what is Sn, sum to n terms. It is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here A is first term, D is common difference and N is number of terms. Already one A is given. So let us take the first term as capital A. Okay, to avoid confusion with this small a and capital A. So here take first term as capital A. So using this formula, what is SP? Just replace N equal to P here. So P by 2 into 2A. Listen, here A is first term. So 2A plus what is N? P. P minus 1 into D. It is given SP is equal to A. Okay, to avoid these 2A, we put first term or replace first term as A. Similarly, what is SQ? Sum to Q terms is Q by 2 into 2A plus Q minus 1 into D and it is given SQ is equal to B. Similarly, SR equal to R by 2 into 2A plus R minus 1 into D is equal to C. So, equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. Now, look at equation 1. P by 2 into 2A plus P minus 1 into D equal to A. Take this P to right side. So, into P becomes by P. 1 by 2 into this becomes 2A plus P minus 1 into D equal to A by P. Okay. Similarly, equation 2 becomes 1 by 2 into 2A plus Q minus 1 into D equal to B by Q. 1 by 2 into 2A plus Q minus 1 into D equal to B by Q. From 3, take this R to right side. So, equation 3 reduces to 1 by 2 into 2A plus R minus 1 into D equal to C by R. Okay. We converted both the equations into these three expressions because in our expression we need A by P, B by Q and C by R. Okay students? So that we converted these three equations into A by P, B by Q and C by R. Now look at here. A by P into Q minus R. In this expression, just replace A by P, B by Q and C by R and simplify left side and convert or make this expression as equal to 0. That is our procedure. So, we can start with LHS. LHS equal to A by P into Q minus R plus B by Q into R minus P plus C by R into P minus Q. So, replace A by P as 1 by 2 into 2A plus P minus 1 into D into Q minus R plus B by Q. Replace B by Q. B by Q 1 by 2 into 2a plus q minus 1 into d into r minus p plus similarly here c by r replaced by this expression into p by q. In the next step, multiply this bracket expression with 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 2a. 2 and 2 cancel. So a plus 1 by 2 into p minus 1 d into q minus r plus similarly multiplying with 1 by 2. So here also 2 and 2 cancel. A plus 1 by 2 into q minus 1 into d into r minus p plus here also 2 cancel. A plus 1 by 2 into r minus 1 into d into p minus q. Okay. Next step is open the bracket or multiply this bracketed expression with the q minus r. Okay students. So this becomes a into q minus r plus 1 by 2 into p minus 1 into d into q minus r. So here I am going to write all the terms with the a together. That is a into q minus r plus a into r minus p plus a into p minus q together. In three terms a is common. So we can take a outside. So a into q minus r plus a into r minus p plus a into p minus q. I hope it's clear to you. Okay. If you have any confusion, you can separate all these things. So you will get a huge expression, a big expression. To avoid that expression, I simplified it into this form. Okay. Now we have to multiply this half into p minus 1 into d with the q minus r. Similarly, half into q minus 1 d with the r minus p. Half into r minus 1 into d with the p minus q and sum all the three terms. So in these three terms, half into d is common. So we can take half into d outside. Then the remaining p minus 1 into q minus r. P minus 1 into q minus r plus here q minus 1 into r minus p, okay, plus third term r minus 1 into p minus q. Now open the bracket. Look at the first expression. In this bracketed expression we can cancel minus p and plus p, plus q and minus q, minus r and plus r. So this becomes a into 0. Okay. Plus, now see this expression half d into. You can open the bracket term by term multiplication. P into q, pq, p into minus r, minus pr, minus 1 into q, minus q, minus 1 into minus r, plus r. Similarly, this becomes q into p, qp or pq, q into r, sorry, this is minus pq, q into minus p, minus qp, q into r, qr, minus r, plus p, plus similarly here r into p, rp or pr, minus qr, minus p, plus q. Now look at here, we can cancel pq and minus pq, minus pr plus pr, minus q plus q, plus r minus r, plus qr minus qr, plus p minus p. So this becomes half d into 0. So a into 0, 0, half d into 0, 0. So 0 plus 0 gives 0. That is our RHS. So LHS we have a by p into q minus r plus b by q into r minus p plus c by r into p minus q equal to 0. Listen children, this is an important question. So write and study. Simply put all the things and simplify it. We will get the answer. Okay. Next one, question number 15. if a raised to n plus b raised to n by a raised to n minus 1 plus b raised to n minus 1 is the arithmetic mean between, AM means arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean between a and b, then find the value of n. So listen, there is a result. If a and b are two numbers in an AP, then the arithmetic mean of these two numbers is defined as a plus b by 2. By heart the formula, arithmetic mean of a and b is a plus b by 2. Here arithmetic mean is given, so we can equate the given arithmetic mean a raised to n plus b raised to n by a raised to n minus 1 plus b raised to minus 1 n minus 1 equal to a plus b by 2. Okay. Now cross multiply. So 2 into a raised to n plus b raised to n equal to, this becomes a plus b into a raised to n minus 1 plus b raised to n minus 1. Now open the bracket. 2 into a raised to n, 2a raised to n. 2 into b raised to n, 2b raised to n equal to term by term multiplication, a into a raised to n minus 1 plus a into b raised to n minus 1 plus b into a raised to n minus 1 plus b into b raised to n minus 1. Okay. Left side as such, 2a raised to n plus 2b raised to n. Here a into a raised to n minus 1. A means a raised to n minus a raised to 1. So by laws of indices, a raised to m into a raised to n gives a raised to m plus n. So this becomes a raised to 1 plus n minus 1, that is n. Okay. Here a into b raised to n minus 1. Here bases are different, so we can't do anything. Similarly, b into a raised to n minus 1. Here bases are same, so we can apply the result. B raised to 1 into b raised to n minus 1, that is b raised to n. In the next step, take this a raised to n and b raised to n to left side. So plus becomes minus, and therefore left side reduces to a raised to n plus b raised to n equal to a into b raised to n minus 1 plus b into a raised to n minus 1. Now listen, write this a raised to n as a into a raised to n minus 1. Because a raised to 1 into a raised to n minus 1 is same as a raised to n. Similarly, b raised to n can be written as b into b raised to n minus 1 equal to, right side is a into b raised to n minus 1 plus b into a raised to n minus 1. Now take this term to left side and take b into b raised to n minus 1 to other side. So this becomes a into a raised to n minus 1 minus b into a raised to n minus 1 equal to a into b raised to n minus 1. This becomes minus b into b raised to n minus 1. Now look at here, a raised to n minus 1 is common, so take it outside, remaining a minus b. Here b raised to n minus 1 is common, so b raised to n minus 1 into a minus b. Here we can cancel the common factor a minus b, remaining a raised to n minus 1 by b raised to n minus 1 equal to 1. Okay, or a raised to n minus 1 equal to b raised to n minus 1. Take this b raised to n minus 1 to left side. So this becomes a raised to n minus 1 by b raised to n minus 1 equal to 1. Now this is another law of indices. A raised to m by b raised to m is a by b whole raised to m. Now listen, this one can be written as a by b the whole raised to 0, isn't it? One can be written as any expression with the power 0. So a by b raised to n minus 1 equal to a by b raised to 0. Here bases are same, so we can equate powers. N minus 1 equal to 0 implies n equal to 1. So this is our question. If arithmetic mean of a and b is given, that is a raised to n plus b raised to n by a raised to n minus 1 plus b raised to n minus 1, then what is the value of n? So the value of n is equal to 1. Okay students, so write and study. All the question answers belongs to exercise 9.2. So in today we discuss only few questions belongs to exercise 9.2. The remaining questions are too easy. So go through the questions and write down and practice it well. So thank you all. Have a nice day.